Ecovalley Silicones Pvt. Limited. We are extremely proud to be a silicone recycling company, which generates eco-friendly products and contribute towards the betterment of our environment. As we use more electronic gadgets in our daily lives, it's more important than ever to recycle used electronic items and their parts to help save the environment. Piling of landfills, leaking of chemicals, burning of e-waste, contamination of soil.
This causes drastic increment of landfills, water pollution and poison aquatic animals. Release of harmful gases, damaging the growth of nearby crops. What will happen to our Earth if this keeps on happening? The burning of e-waste leads to the release of harmful gases like mercury, beryllium, chromium, PVC, lead. Cardiovascular disease, respiratory disease, DNA damage, brain damage. How can we help to prevent this from happening? Contact us to dispose of your silicone waste materials. Materials will be picked up and delivered at our recycling plant. With the Ecovalley program, for every ton of recycled silicone rubber you can save approximately 30 cubic yards of landfill space. Recycling Center. Shredded into pieces. High temperature cracking. Filtration and refining. We convert silicone waste into high-quality silicone fluids, PDMS.